एवरीवन, माय नेम इज माधव प्रसाद एंड वेलकम टू ज्ञानशाला विद मस्ती। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ होली का क्विज। तो आपको अगर ऐसी वीडियोस अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं हमारे होली की क्विज के साथ, क्योंकि होली आने ही वाली है। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु सेव्स प्रहलाद caught inside fire with fire? A. Lord Krishna, B. Lord Shiva, C. Lord Vishnu, and D. Lord Brahma. And the correct answer for this question is option number C. Lord Vishnu. Because Lord Vishnu saved Prahlad caught inside fire with fire. What was the plot of Devil Holika? A. Push Prahlad into fire to kill him. B. Make Prahlad sit on a fire, combustible material. Fight with Prahlad with a fire stick, or none of the above. And the correct answer for this question is option number B. Make Prahlad sit on a fire or a combustible material. And combustible material is a material which can burn. What are the natural colors used for Holi in olden days? A. Turmeric, B. Kumkum, C. Neem, D. All of the above. And the correct answer for this question is option number D. All of the above. Because all the three colors were used as natural colors for Holi in olden days. Holika is the sister of which demon king? Ravan, Vibhishan, Kumbhakarna, and Hiranyakashipu. And the correct answer for this question is option number D. Hiranyakashipu. What is the other country that celebrates the Indian festival of Holi? A. Sri Lanka, B. China, C. Nepal, and D. Japan. And the correct answer for this question is option number C. Nepal. The next question is, what are the other names for Holi? A. Dhuleti or Dhulandi, B. Rangwali Holi, C. Fagwa, or D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option number D. All of the above. Which day is Choti Holi? Next day of Holi, before day of Holi, same day as Holi, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number B. Before day of Holi. Holi festival is also known as Festival of Doves, Festival of Love, Festival of Victory, or Festival of Revenge. So the correct answer is option number B. Festival of Love. The story behind the Holi festival is related to A. Radha Krishna, B. Shiv and Parvati, C. Demon Holika and Prahlad, or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option number C. Demon Holika and Prahlad. Name the sixth festival in which we show their physical strength and power and celebrate the day after Holi. Baisakhi, Hola Mohalla, Bandi Chor Divas, and Maghi. So, the correct option is option number B, Hola Mohalla. Holika Dahan in South India is known as Falgun, Dola Jata, Kamadhenam, and Dola Jatara. And the correct answer is option number C, Kamadhenam. Holika Dahan in South India is also known as Kamadhenam. Famous Lathamar Holi is played at which place? A. Barsana, B. Mathura, C. Hampi, or D. Jaipur. So the correct answer is option number A. Barsana. Does the Holi festival mark the end of winter and the beginning of A. Summer, B. Spring, C. Monsoon, or D. Autumn? So the correct answer is option number B. Spring. The name of Hiranyakashipu's sister was A. Holika, B. Holi, C. Holima, or D. Hidimba? So, the correct answer is option number A. Holika. There are many legends associated with Holi. Hiranyakashipu instead insisted everybody in his kingdom to worship him, but his devout son Prahlad became a follower of which god? A. Lord Vishnu, B. Lord Shiva, C. Lord Krishna, or D. Lord Brahma. The correct answer is option number A. Lord Vishnu. In which Hindu month Holi is celebrated? A. Magh, B. Baisakh, C. Falguna, or D. Posa? Option number C is correct. Falguna is the Hindu month in which Holi is celebrated. By which name Holi is recognized as in Odisha? A. Dola Jata, B. Dhilata, C. Dhoajun, or D. Doli Jatta? The correct option is option number A. Dola Jata. In Odisha, Holi is recognized as Dola Jata. So, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please like it and share it with everyone. And please comment down below that how much you like this video. Bye.